Abdali Grammar School, Oxford Mathematics, Algebric Fractions and Formula, Chapter number 5 and lecture number 2. So let's start today's lecture. So the question is, express each of the following as a fraction in its simplest form. Okay, so let's start. The part A is 7 by 6a plus 4 by 9a. So class, we have two fractions here which are being added. So we have to add them and we have to simplify our answer. Okay, so let's start the solution. Firstly, we will rewrite our question as it is. And now, we know that to add fractions, we should make their denominators same, which means we have to make the fractions like fractions. Yes, to add and subtract the fractions, we have to make the fractions like fractions. So, here comes a question that how to make these fractions like fractions. Think about it. Yes, to make them like fractions, we have to make their denominators same. So, first fraction will be multiplied by 3 and second fraction will be multiplied by 2. Then the result will be same denominators. Let's see, when we multiply first whole fraction with 3, so 7 3s are 21 and 6 3s are 18a. And similarly, when we multiply our second fraction with 2, 4 2s are 8 and 9 2s are 18a. So it becomes like fractions. We can see that now our denominators are same. So now we can easily add them. So we will write the denominator one time and in the numerator we will add values which are 21 plus 8. So 21 plus 8 becomes 29 by 18a. Okay, so we cannot solve it further as none of the value is divisible with other. So it is our simplified answer. Now let's see the other question, which is 5 by 2a minus b plus 4 by 3b minus a. Okay, so let's start the solution first. Firstly, we will rewrite our question as it is, and now we can see that in both the fractions the variables are different. Like in first fraction the denominator is a minus b, and in the second fraction the denominator is b minus a. So we have to make them same, make them like fractions in order to add them. So here is our question, that how to make these fractions like fractions. So class, to make these fractions like fractions, we have to take common in second fraction. In first fraction we have a minus b and in second fraction we have b minus a. So we will change it like first fraction. We will make it a minus b and the addition will be changed into subtraction. Why addition is changed into subtraction? Because here we have taken common minus. We have taken common minus from b minus a. So the fractions plus sign is changed into minus sign. Why we have done this step? We done this step to make our fractions like fractions. Okay. class, this is a very important and tricky part of this question. You have to watch it very carefully. And similarly we have to make both digits same. So in the first fraction, the in denominator we have 2 as a constant, and in the second fraction in denominator we have 3 as a constant. So in first whole fraction we will multiply with 3, and in second whole fraction we will multiply with 2, and then our fractions will be like fractions. It will be 6a minus b in the both denominator. So we will write our denominator one time, and in the numerator we will solve our question, and 5 multiplied by 3 becomes 15 minus 4 to the 8. So 15 minus 8 and 6 a minus b. Okay, and 15 minus 8 will be solved, and it will be 7 by 6 a minus b. Now it cannot be simplified more, so it is your answer, and it is the most simplified answer. Now the next question is, express each of the following as a fraction in its simplest form. The question is 3a by 3a minus 5 plus 4a by 4a minus 1. So let's start our solution. Firstly, we will rewrite our question as it is, and after that we can see that we have to make these fractions like fractions in order to add them. So we will multiply with the denominator of first fraction to the second fraction, and we will multiply with the denominator of second fraction to the first fraction. Let's see. The denominator of second fraction is 4a minus 1, and we multiplied first fraction, whole fraction. Both numerators and denominators of first fraction are multiplied with 4a minus 1. And similarly on the other side we multiplied whole fraction with the denominator of first fraction, which is 3a minus 5. Okay, so now we can see that our fractions are like fractions. We have done this step in order to make these fractions like fractions. So now we will rewrite our denominator as it is, and we will solve the values in the numerator. We will multiply 3a with whole bracket, which is 4a minus 1, and it answers 12a square minus 3a, and we will multiply 4a with the bracket 3a minus 5, and it will answer plus 12a square minus 20a. Okay, so now there is need to simplify them. We have to add like variables to them, like 12a square and 12a square will be added, and minus 3a minus 2a will be added. So answer becomes 24a square minus 23a by 3a minus 5, 4a minus 1. So it cannot be simplified more, so it is your answer. So next question is x by x plus y plus 4 by x square plus 3xy plus 2y square minus 3x by x plus 2y. So let's start our solution. Firstly, we have to rewrite our question as it is. And after that, we see that we have to make the variables like variables. We have to make the fractions like fractions. So we have to make their denominators same. So in the second fraction, we can see that it can be factorized. In the second fraction, denominator can be factorized. So x square plus 3xy plus 2y square will be factorized, and So the denominator of first fraction is x plus y, the denominator of second fraction is x plus y and x plus 2y, and the denominator of third fraction is x plus 2y. So we have to make these fractions like fractions, and we have to make sure their denominators are same. So we will multiply first whole fraction with x plus 2y, and we will multiply third whole fraction with x plus y, and there is no need to multiply second fraction, as we will make the other two fractions denominator like this fraction. So let's do it. So we have multiplied first whole fraction with x plus 2y, and we have multiplied last fraction, third fraction, with x plus y. And now we can see that our denominators are same. So now we will just write the denominator as it is one time, and we will solve in the numerator. So class, we have done till this step, and now we can see that all the denominators of all fractions are same. All three fractions are like fractions now, so we will rewrite denominators one time and we will add in the numerator. Like x will be multiplied by bracket x plus 2y, and it answers x squared plus 2xy, plus 4 will be written as it is, and minus 3x will be multiplied with bracket x plus y, and it will answer minus 3x squared minus 3xy. Okay, and denominator will remain same like x plus y and x plus 2y. And now there is just need to simplify our answer. In the numerator we will simplify x squared and minus 3x squared, and it will answer minus 2x squared plus 2xy minus 3xy will be solved, and it will be minus xy, and plus 4 is will remain as it is a constant, and there is no other constant to add it, and denominator will be written as it is, will be remain as it is. So now we can see that we cannot simplify it further, so it is your answer and most simplified answer. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe our YouTube channel, which is Abdali Grammar School Official.